Our first stop is Walmart. So we just got here in Miami and got the car rental. Hey, Surfers! And now we need to buy some stuff for tomorrow's preparation.
Some food, you mean?
And food. This is not even like the super Walmart, but I'm sure it's huge. How many? 5? Just 5?
5 kilos, 10.
Oh, kilos. I thought 5 bags.
Yeah, 5 bags, 900 pounds. So.
Oh, okay. Christina's happy place. Ziploc.
No, we need for the palette knife set.
Oh, really? And then we can just buy later to bring home. We don't have this brand in the UK. How are we gonna fit this in our super cute beetle car?
On your lap.
Full of luggage.
All on your lap.
Show the flag. So cute. And look inside. There. Ta-da! So, where we're going to put all the stuff. And yeah. Maybe I should help you.
Driver!
Yeah.
You have reached your destination.
You have reached your destination.
Look at that. No, look. It's huge, right?
It's not meant for you, it's meant for the children guests. This way to your room, ma'am.
Where are you going, darling?
This way to the elevator.
Lift.
Well, we're in the US, so it's elevator. There. We are on room 604, so 6th floor. Starting tomorrow, there will be thunderstorms. So actually, thunderstorms already started across some parts of the US. So sorry to hear about that. Oh, sorry. My driver is complaining. Say hi. We are near, aren't we? It's 3 minutes away. Some dark clouds.
Oh, so cute.
Good morning, Soflo. It is 6:45 and it's our first day of classes. We have all day classes, morning and then afternoon, so we need to prepare.
You might be the first people here.
We might be. Alright, see you later. Start from a blob, okay? Right towards the edge of that blob, press down and pull.
Do you press hard? Do you press
Well, another thing, I'm gonna answer your question.
Yes.
Another thing is, if this is the surface, okay, you want the angle of your palette knife not completely flat, but not tilted like this. It's just slightly tilted, okay? But not fully closed. But when you think that the rose is sitting nicely onto your scissors, then you want to twist your flower nail, okay? Twist flower nail, and then you get a big inhale, yeah, before you slide it, okay? And you want to position it onto your rose. Give it a little bit of push so that it sticks onto your cupcake, and you want to get like a back of a scissors, spoon or whatever, and then this one stops it as you pull your scissors out, and then you breathe out. There. Yay! Thank you guys. It's our last demo now. We're gonna fly out to Atlanta tomorrow. Oh, thank you! There you go. Okay, well, if you guys want to come closer and have a look, take a picture.
We're hanging in there. Senorita, thank you, doctor.
Anybody want a picture here?
Yeah, not the bars. We tend to just like stretch too much the bottom and it just tear. So we like rolling.
Just about to make a northern magnolia.
Macaroni?
Macaroni, yes. Yes, it's all bent like a macaroni. Magnolia dough.
Guys, we have Amy from Sweet Stamp.
Hi! Hi guys! I'm just going to create a little topper using Sweet Stamp here. So I've just lined out the letters and I'm going to press down and create my own stamp, and then I'm going to stamp this onto my fondant.
There you go.
And all you have to do now is paint it in like these guys here. So easy peasy, paint in. You can use the Sweet Stamp brushes or any brushes you have at home that are the same size. And when it's painted in, you get this type of effect.
Very pretty.
There's loads of different style fonts to choose, like we have calligraphy style, plain, cute little ones as well. So too many to choose from.
Like this.
And it works on buttercream as well.
Yeah, it does work in
Demonstrate for
buttercream.
yourself.
Finally.
Oh, mwah.
No. Because I went.
Hi, this is Jimena and
I'll be in the cake
Fiesta Manila. Yay! And she's coming to Cake Fiesta.
Yes, Cake Fiesta Manila.